I prep my skin. My handy dandy clean and clear cotton rounds, 100% organic by the Body Shop. I don't know if you can see that. Moisturizer. I'm gonna use this moisturizer. And it has salicylic acid in it. Ooh. And before I begin, I did falsies this morning. So yeah, I got my falsies on. Yeah, I'm gonna take one of these foundation brushes I have here. Okay, I'm gonna start with, again, my concealer. Staple it like this, Makeup artist taught me that, so I was so thankful for that tip. I'm like, oh, I never thought of that. Because I was like, how do you get the makeup looking so fresh and dewy? I can't do that just going like this, you know? I'm like, whoa. So ever since that tip she gave me, I'm just like, hell yeah. So now I'm giving it to you. Look like my tattoo. Tried and true EOS chapstick. Now we got our skin cleansed, concealer concealed, and chapstick. Now let's do some Tarte foundation, and it's the multitasking foundation by Tarte. It's concealer and foundation in one. See a good amount, like that. this shade, I'm going to take my, again, like I used in the last video, my e.l.f. palette. Ew, I'm sorry, it's so dirty. My e.l.f. Matte for Matte, I believe it is. No. This is, sorry, that's an eyeshadow palette. This is Fiji Matte by e.l.f. I'm going to take the contour shade, which is the bronzer shade, and I'm going to be contouring my bone structure, my jaw line, mostly. Here is my handy dandy nose contour brush. For my nose, I like to do cream contour first, and see, I barely have any left, so I have to kind of dig with this little brush that I have here. Thank God I have this guy. So yeah, I'm gonna take this brush. So you could see me digging out. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the brush with the contour on it, the cream contour, and it's, oh, sorry, before I get into this, it's again from the last few videos that I've used. It's my tried and true product, another one, NYX Wonder Stick. It has both highlighter and contour color bronzer. Or I go like this, and I learned this from the J Bunsey girl. Could always do something else, but I'm just showing you my steps. I'm gonna take a little more, my cream contour, and go like this, carve out like a new nose shape, sort of. See? And I do the two straight lines in the middle, the classic. Oh God, that line is so bad. I'm so sorry for those who are watching this. Oh my God. Okay, I need to start looking in the mirror, but anyway, even if you make mistakes like I just did, it's fine. You could blend it out with a blending brush. They're magical. Now, I'm going to take this blending brush and blend my nose contour. Now that I have my nose contour blend out, we're going to be doing the highlighting portion of my face. I'm going to be using my cream contour highlighting by the NYX. Again, it's like I said, it's the duo stick, the NYX Wonder Stick, to do my nose and the other areas that I highlight. Use this brush. So I took some highlighter and then I just kind of dotted it on my nose. And then I'm going to go down the middle where there's no highlight. And then I'm going to go down, or I'm going to go up here. I'm only doing a little bit for my cheeks. I don't really need a lot. Ooh, that highlighter looks nice on camera. I'm impressed. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. totally went back on my word and I ended up doing foundation, face makeup first. Don't do face makeup first. I would recommend you do eyeshadow first, eye makeup first, because like I said, it doesn't ruin your beautiful face makeup that you worked so hard on like I just did. For blush, I'm gonna use my Benefit Dandelion blush, and yeah, it's, what color is this? It's like a baby pink color. You could see how pretty this is. I don't think you can see it well in this lighting. It's so beautiful. Brush them up, brush up your eyebrows before you put on your eyebrow pencil or whatever you use for your eyebrows. I'm gonna do eyebrows. You just want to go with your what is it? Your eyebrow, your hair, the shape of your hair or whatever. Eyebrows, I just follow my natural hair and just fill in the sparse spots, basically. Eyebrows are kind of tricky to do on camera, so... Hi guys again. So I'm going to be doing a quick eyeshadow application. So let's see. Okay, now I'm going to be using my Belonging palette. And I got this from Amazon.com. I think it was relatively affordable, like cheap. It was, I believe it was $12, I want to say. Yeah, and it's amazing, trust me. Like, look at the color selection. Like, I'll show you the inside of it. It's so freaking pretty. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Like, come on, seriously. Like, this is so pretty. This palette, it's everything. I'm gonna be using this brush, this eyeshadow brush, and this eyeshadow brush to kind of blend it. First shadow I'm going to be taking out of this palette is a base shade first. Breakaway right here. Okay. Looks better in real life, of course. I'm gonna be doing the outer corners with the shade Good Is Gone. The look is almost complete. Yay. something. You guys, this is the complete look. What do you think? Okay, you guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, and happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all of that stuff.